How to get the PMBOK 8th edition? Actually, there are two ways. The first way is having a PMI membership, and you can do that by joining PMI on PMI.org. It's a paid membership. And you download the PMBOK Guide 8th edition PDF for free as a member benefit. And if you do that, the PDF is watermarked and for your personal use only. The membership includes exam discounts and access to other standards. So you can go to pmi.org/standards/PMBOK and you see here become a member. So you click on here and you pay for the membership, and then you can download the PMBOK Guide PDF version for free. Now I have logged into my content, and as you can see, since I am a PMI member, I can download the PDF. I click on here and shorter the PDF will be generated and I can download it. You can see here the PDF is downloaded. I click on it and you can see that the PDF here is having this license note. Let me make it a bit bigger so you can see it. You can see license to Yassine Tounsi PMI member. This is the ID of my membership. This copy is a PMI member benefit, not for distribution, sale, or reproduction. That's when you are a member, you can do that. Here, the language is English. The time of recording this video, only the English language is available. Later on, there will be more languages available. In this case, you will click on here, select your preferred language, and you download the PMBOK. That's the first method. The second method is to buy an ebook or print copy on Amazon. You purchase the ebook or hard copy from Amazon. No membership required. You just go to Amazon, search for PMBOK, and you will find it easily. And here you can add to cart and buy now, and you choose your address in order to receive it. These are the two methods. Choose whatever is convenient for you.